Good afternoon to all of you. I've kept this extra lab session so that I can discuss about the completion and submission of your Python programming lab part B. Okay, so let me just open up first of all what you were supposed to do in lab part B. Okay, you can see my screen now, and you can see that this was given to you for your lab part B, right? That is data visualization, data analysis, application development in Python, and connecting to a database. Okay, and a submission as a printed report, spiral bound. This was given some 2 to 3 months prior to today, right? So you people have got ample time to finish this report. Obviously, you need to work in a group. You were told to work in a group. The groups were also given to you, and I'm sure that you people are doing and have done some good work in this regard. The first question is regarding the matplotlib module, and you need to pick up a data set of your choice to draw the various plots. Okay, and if you cannot have a data set like using a CSV module, some students had a problem. So you can pick up a simple data set of your choice. You just need to explain how all the plots can be drawn. Then what is data analysis and how CSV module can be used? That you people already know. We have discussed it. If there is any problem, you can watch the videos on my channel regarding this CSV module. Then the third one is a case study, okay? And the data sets for the case study have been shared with you today in the group. The data set names are attendees 1 and attendees 2, okay? And you can see, I'll show you what the data set contains so that there is no confusion. I'll just open up the data set for you. It's a simple data set. This is the first data set, like people who have attended a party, this is the first name, the last name, and the email. Okay, this is the first party, right? Similarly, we have attendees too who have attended the second party. Okay, this is the second data set. This is a list of people who have participated in the various the birthday parties. And what you are supposed to do is you must display the list of all people who attended the second batch and not the first, and store the list in a separate file. So you know how to do it, okay? You know how to query the files. You've already learned it. So that is the first case study, question number 3. The CSV files have been shared with you, right? All clear till this point? You can raise hands to tell me that you've understood what I'm telling you. Yeah, all right, fine, thank you. Then the next one is the movie review data set. This also I discussed in my sessions, lab sessions with you. And you just supposed to answer a few queries. These are very simple for you. The data set has been sent to you. That is the dataset -movies.csv, right? And the next one is that you were supposed to download a data set of your choice with at least 300 records. Ideally, I would say thousands of records, but minimum 300 would also go. And you must write 10 good queries based on this data set and answer the queries. Just write the Python solutions to those queries. And the last one was to create a small application, that is the Python Oracle connectivity. So to make this connectivity a good one, you could use tkinter, okay? And if you are not comfortable with tkinter, otherwise it's just a 2 hours job that you can work with it and create a few window. So, but if you are not comfortable, you can make a menu-driven program, okay? But weightage of marks would be given to the tkinter people. So kindly do it. There is still a lot of time. I'll tell you the submission date today itself, okay? Right now in this meeting. So this is all that you needed to do. And apart from that, I said that if you have created anything and you want to show it, you can include it in the report. Fine. All clear about what needs to be done or what was supposed to be done? If it is clear, then give me a raised hand, all of you. All of you give me a raised hand. Yeah, fine. Okay. The next is that each group must create a video in which they will show the execution of whatever they have done. Okay, they'll show their report, and through that report, they'll switch to the IDLE or whatever environment they're using. Maybe you people are using different this thing, PyCharm and all whatever editors you're using. So just show that execution of all your queries, execution of the plots that you have drawn. So that would be a good idea. I would understand from that only what work has been done by you. Ideally, all of you must participate in that video. Okay, like if there are 4 members in a group, then each one must speak for some duration of time in that group. That I leave it to you how you organize that. The video should be between 8 to 10 minutes ideally. I don't want very long videos, right? So even if it exceeds 10 minutes, I'm fine. ठीक है, 8 से 10 मिनट का वीडियो बनाना है. उस वीडियो में जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं सबने बोलना है, बताना है कि क्या काम किया है, और जो काम है, जो एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ क्वेरीज हैं या जो मैट प्लॉट के ग्राफ्स आपने बनाए हैं, प्लॉट्स बनाए हैं, वो दिखाइए उसके अंदर रनिंग उसमें. ठीक है, और वीडियो की लेंथ 8 से 10 मिनट होनी चाहिए. 10 मिनट से ज्यादा भी है, आई एम ओके, राइट? Okay. Now let's get to the how to make the report. So watch on screen. I'll show you the report guidelines, right? You can see on your screen now. So your report should have a title page. All of you know how to make the title page, in which you have to write the title, the course, the lab name, lab code, then submitted to, submitted by, you know it, okay? So maybe you can design one good page and show it to me, okay? So that we can generalize, but I leave it to you to make the title page. Then an index page, just like this index page is there, serial number and content. Your report should have an index page. It should contain introduction to Python programming, objectives of the project. This introduction should be 1 or 2 pages is good enough. I'll just, yeah, 1 or 2 pages is good enough. Then objectives of the project, then plotting with matplotlib, data analysis with CSV module, should write about these things. Then solution to various case studies, right, including your own data set also. Then Python Oracle connectivity using a TK Inter application for better grades, or by using a menu-driven program, both are okay. Then the screenshots of your project, okay? And your report should be a spiral bound report, minimum 50 pages. If you exceed that, it's fine. कम से कम 50 पेज होने चाहिए प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट में. उससे ज्यादा भी है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You show whatever you wish to show to me, right? Is that okay? All right. So now you can ask your problems. Okay, I'm allowing you. I'm unmuting you all. So one by one, you can raise your hands and speak, please. Any problems that you think are coming or have come, you want to discuss? Otherwise, I think I'll just put these files in your group so that everything is clear to you. The date of submission would be 28th May, right? Let it be very clear. And how it needs to be sent, I'll put that in the group today. If there is any mistake in your nomenclature, I will fail you in the lab. Let it be very clear to all of you. This is one final thing that you're going to submit in this semester. Your nomenclature is very poor. Name is missing, roll number is not written, sometimes both are missing. So if any such thing happens with your lab part B, I will take strict action for that. Okay. You can ask if there is any problem, anything that you want to suggest or you want to share with me in this group, so that we can discuss that. You should be clear about doing your lab part B. Yeah, Priya, please ask.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So the PDF that you sent earlier, it had a different question number 3. So we have to do this or that?
I am not sure. The idea is the same. आप उसपे क्या question number 3 बताइए?
Sir, it was regarding that we should take the data set of our class.
Of our own class. Okay, okay. You follow that only. No problems. You follow that only.
And
whatever PDF has been sent before, you have to do that only. Maybe I picked up a PDF of the previous class. Doesn't matter, one question here or there. You don't
yes,
do that. Otherwise, अगर आपको ये वाला question भी ठीक है, आप जो पहला PDF भेजा वही कीजिए. Do that only. No changes in that.
And sir, in that PDF, the
Yes.
question number 5 is written as optional.
Yeah, again, it's optional here, but the connectivity has to be there, I think. I've discussed, I thought that maybe I don't get time to discuss, but I've discussed the Python Oracle connectivity with you, right? So
Okay.
you can show that connectivity with the help of a menu-driven program, or if TK Inter, it's your choice. Like if you want to show some window and in that, then I'm fine with both.
Okay, sir.
But I think apart from this part, apart from this TK Inter part that I'm asking you, The rest, everything has been discussed by me with you. Is that right? अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जो काम आपको दिया गया है उसमें से मेजॉरिटी काम मैंने आपको करवा दिया है, then raise your hands, all of you. जितना भी आपको लैब पार्ट बी में काम दिया है, अगर मैंने सारा आपको करवा दिया है, you can raise hands. So what I am asking you is just one thing on your own, because lab part B में you had to do something good, something on your own. So you can add TK into do that. Plus अगर आपने कुछ और काम भी किया है, like कुछ नया सीखा है, कुछ एप्लीकेशन बनाई है, कोई गेम बनाई है, मैंने पहले ही बोला था, आप उसको भी रिपोर्ट में इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, आपको कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं अपने, बिकॉज हैंड्स रेज सब बीच में चल रहे हैं. यस, कुछ पूछना है अंगद तो पूछ लीजिए. Angad, if you need to ask.
No, sir.
Good afternoon. Your voice is low, Angad.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
सर नहीं पूछना, गलती से रह गया.
Okay, fine. Everything is good, I suppose.
Yes, sir.
So जो PDF आपको पहले दी गई थी लैब पार्ट बी के लिए, उसी को फॉलो कीजिए. उसमें जो ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चन है उसको करना है. ऑप्शनल का मतलब था कि आप टीके एंटर से अगर कर सकते हैं कि नहीं, वो मैंने आपके छोड़ा था. अदरवाइज उस क्वेश्चन को पाइथन ऑरेकल कनेक्टिविटी मान के चलिए, और उस कनेक्टिविटी को आइदर यू शो इट थ्रू अ पाइथन मेन्यू ड्रिवन प्रोग्राम, और मे बी यू कैन मेक अ गुड इंटरफेस 1 or 2 स्क्रीन्स यूजिंग टीके एंटर. आई लीव इट टू यू. ठीक है, लेकिन जो भी काम आपने करना है वो खुद करना है, एक दूसरे से कॉपी नहीं करना है. कोई रेस नहीं है उसके लिए. मैंने बेटर ग्रेड्स लिख दिया, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सबने टीके एंटर से ही करना है. अगर आप उसको मेन्यू ड्रिवन से अच्छे तरह कर सकते हो, आई एम ओके विद दैट. उसमें कोई मार्क्स लॉस नहीं होगा, डोंट वरी. ठीक है, लेकिन व्हेन यू गिव दी वाइवा तो मुझे क्लियर हो जाएगा किस ग्रुप मेंबर ने कितना काम किया. तो डोंट ट्राई टू डिसीव मी, ओके. एंड मेक अ गुड रिपोर्ट, दैट वुड रियली एनहांस योर मार्क्स. मेक अ वेरी गुड रिपोर्ट. उसमें जस्टिफाइड हो, 1.5 लाइन स्पेसिंग हो. आपको सारी डिटेल्स पता ही है स्टैंडर्ड रिपोर्ट्स कैसे बनती हैं. फोंट का साइज 11 होना चाहिए, टाइम्स न्यू रोमन फोंट लीजिए, यूनिफॉर्म फोंट लीजिए. हेडिंग्स का साइज 12 होना चाहिए, 12 पॉइंट्स. जो मेन हेडिंग है उसका साइज 14 पॉइंट्स होना चाहिए. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. मार्जिन कितने होने चाहिए. तो टेक अ स्टैंडर्ड रिपोर्ट, ओके. और यूनिफॉर्म रिपोर्ट आपकी दिखनी चाहिए, दिखने में अच्छी लगनी चाहिए. रिपोर्ट पे हेडर फुटर भी लगा सकते हैं आप. फुटर में पेज नंबर हो सकता है, हेडर में आपके ग्रुप का नाम हो सकता है, या आपके प्रोजेक्ट का नाम हो सकता है, या डेटा सेट का नाम हो सकता है. सो अब अपना अपना दिमाग लगाइए, क्रिएटिविटी दिखाइए अपनी, और अच्छी सी रिपोर्ट बनाइए. ठीक है, डेट ऑफ सबमिशन है 28 मई. Remember, I'm going to put these details in the group. So I'm just putting this file here. No, not this one, because this you say is a bit changed, right? So जो आपने करना है वो पहले वाला ही है, सिवाय से पाइथन ऑरेकल कनेक्टिविटी होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, और ये लैब रिपोर्ट गाइडलाइंस है. ओके, दिस यू हैव सीन ऑल ऑफ यू कैन सी अगेन. ठीक है, इसमें आपको यही सब करना है. आप देख लीजिए, मैंने सारी डिटेल्स इसीलिए लिख दी है ताकि कोई कंफ्यूजन ना रहे. ठीक है, आई एम सेंडिंग दिस फाइल टू यू. Let's see if we can just pick up. Your group is here, so I'll just put the files here. Putting the file, lab report guidelines, right? So I'll put the file here, right? You got the file. I think in your group you can check. You got the guidelines. So I've sent the guidelines to you. Okay. The other details I'm going to send just now about how to send the video and files. Okay. I'll be sending it right now. So anything that you need to discuss? I've not taken much of your time. Only 15 minutes have gone by. Yes, Anmol, you can speak. Anmol, you, yeah.
Sir, मैटप्लॉटलिब में गुड इवनिंग सर, गुड आफ्टरनून सर. सर हमने मैटप्लॉटलिब में क्या करना है, थोड़ा बताओगे?
मैटप्लॉटलिब के बारे में पहले थोड़ा बताइए क्या होता है.
ग्राफ.
Yeah, you need to draw all the graphs. What's the problem? 5-5 मिनट में कोडिंग ऊपर नीचे चेंज होनी और ग्राफ बन जाना. क्या प्रॉब्लम है उसमें?
डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन लाइब्रेरी ऑफ पाइथन.
हाँ जी, I can't get you involved.
Library.
Yeah, you must explain what is matplotlib. It is like used for data visualization. Then you explain the various plots. Then you take a data set and draw those plots. That's it. आप पाई चार्ट बना लीजिए, प्लॉट बना लीजिए, कुछ भी कर लीजिए, उसमें 5-6 बना लीजिए, सारे नहीं बनाने दो. That's not a problem. But just show your work properly. Whatever you're doing, show it properly. Right, Anmol? Any other question?
Okay, sir. Okay. No, sir.
Anyone else? आप पूछना चाहते हैं, कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं अभी. आप मुझे टेक्स्ट करके दोबारा भी पूछ सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट अभी इस पे पूरा जोर लगा के काम कीजिए अपना. ठीक है. डेट ऑफ सबमिशन 28 में है, बिकॉज उससे नेक्स्ट वीक में आपके प्रैक्टिकल्स हैं. अगर आप प्रैक्टिकल तक सबमिट नहीं कर पाते तो ऑब्वियसली आपका जो वाइवा है या जो आपकी सबमिशन है वो पेंडिंग रहेगी और आप उसमें एब्सेंट हो जाएंगे. सो जस्ट मेक पेस दिस थिंग अकॉर्डिंगली कि आप इस चीज को, क्योंकि ये चीज आपको मैंने बहुत देर से दी हुई है, 3 months हो गए ऑलमोस्ट, है ना. एंड आई हैव डिस्कस्ड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विद यू. सो इसमें आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. आप टीम में काम कीजिए, रिपोर्ट बना ले कोई बच्चा, कोई प्रोग्रामिंग में देख ले कैसे करना है, वीडियो बनाना है. नॉट अ टफ जॉब, आप लोग सब कर सकते हैं उसको. सिर्फ व्हाट्सएप एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड रहिए अपने ग्रुप मेंबर्स के साथ. अगर आप ठीक से उस पर एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाते हैं तो मुझे यही आइडिया लगेगा कि आपने प्रोजेक्ट में कुछ काम नहीं किया है. एंड ऑब्वियसली दैट इज द ओनली वे आई कैन जज योर परफॉर्मेंस एंड गिव ग्रेड्स टू यू. ठीक है. सो माय रिक्वेस्ट टू यू, काइंडली वर्क सीरियसली ऑन दिस लैब पार्ट बी. Anything else that you want to discuss? If you want to ask it now, please. Okay, I think there are no queries. So I'm going to close this meeting here, and all the best for completion of your lab part B. Thank you.